Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to check BIOS version on Windows using command prompt. So let's start. First of all, search for CMD. Open your command prompt in administrator mode. Once you open your command prompt, then you need to type a command. So type a command systeminfo space pipe symbol, then find str /i, then /c colon BIOS. So you just need to type this simple command systeminfo pipe symbol, then find str /i/c colon BIOS and press enter. And once you press enter, just wait for a second, and over here you can see the BIOS version AMI F.33. So how it works? So over here you can see the command systeminfo pipe symbol find str /i/c BIOS. It is used to quickly check the BIOS version in Windows. So system info will show us the full system details like OS, RAM, processor, BIOS, etc. Whereas the pipe symbol, it sends the output of one command to the another command. The find str, this keyword, it searches for specific text. Whereas /i, it ignores uppercase or lowercase differences. And /c, it searches specifically for the word BIOS. So in this way, so instead of showing all the system details, this command displays only BIOS related information like BIOS version AMI F.33. Whereas AMI stands for American Megatrends Incorporation. So this is the BIOS supplier or BIOS manufacturer. Whereas F.33, this is the current BIOS version. So in short, it filters the system details and shows only the BIOS version quickly. So in this way, we can find out or we can check the BIOS version on Windows using command prompt. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.